Fuel injection pumps play a fundamental role in the operation of diesel engines, particularly for heavy-duty machinery such as excavators. Their job is to control the delivery of fuel to the engine cylinders with extreme precision. This ensures that combustion occurs at the right time and at the right pressure, which directly impacts engine performance, fuel efficiency, and longevity. A malfunctioning or worn-out pump can severely affect engine output, increase fuel consumption, and even cause mechanical damage. The fuel injection pump being discussed is designed specifically for C9 engines and is compatible with models including the 330C, 330D, and 336D excavators. It serves as a replacement for part numbers 319, 0678 and 254, 4358. What sets this pump apart is its high-quality construction and adherence to OEM specifications. It is built to integrate seamlessly with existing engine components, eliminating the need for modifications during installation. Durability is a key consideration for any component in heavy machinery. This pump is manufactured using materials capable of withstanding high pressure, temperature fluctuations, and prolonged operational stress. It is resistant to corrosion, cavitation, and mechanical wear, making it reliable even in the most challenging environments, from construction sites to mining operations. Long-term durability reduces maintenance frequency and extends the operational life of the engine. When it comes to performance, precision is everything. The pump regulates fuel flow accurately, maintaining the correct timing and pressure for combustion. This translates into smoother engine operation, improved power delivery, better throttle response, and reduced emissions. Engines equipped with high-quality pumps like this one perform consistently under different loads, ensuring reliability and efficiency. Ease of installation is another advantage. The pump is designed for straightforward mounting, with precise alignment and torque specifications that allow technicians to install it efficiently. Correct installation is critical because misalignment can lead to uneven fuel delivery, reduced engine performance, and potential damage to other components. This pump allows operators to quickly restore engine performance with minimal downtime. Compatibility is often a concern when selecting replacement parts. This pump is engineered for direct compatibility with C9 engines, replacing 319, 0678 and 254, 4358 parts without requiring adjustments. This ensures that all engine components, including fuel lines, injectors, and timing gears, continue to function correctly, maintaining engine performance and reliability. Efficiency is significantly improved with this pump. Precise fuel metering and optimized injection timing contribute to reduced fuel consumption and lower emissions. Operators often notice smoother performance, consistent power delivery, and fewer fuel-related issues. For construction sites and fleet operators, this translates to higher productivity and reduced operational costs. Maintenance and monitoring are simplified due to the pump's robust design. Routine inspections, lubrication, and diagnostic checks for C9 engines help maintain optimal performance over time. This allows potential issues to be identified before they escalate, avoiding costly repairs and ensuring consistent operation. The real-world impact of a dependable fuel injection pump cannot be understated. Heavy machinery downtime can lead to significant delays and financial losses. A reliable pump ensures consistent engine performance, smooth operation, and predictability in power delivery. This is particularly important for projects where time-sensitive operations are involved, as even minor disruptions can have cascading effects. The engineering of this pump focuses on reliability and long-term performance. Every detail, from material choice to mechanical design, is aimed at delivering a component that can handle the demands of heavy-duty machinery. Investing in a high-quality pump ensures that critical machinery continues to operate efficiently, avoiding unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. In summary, this fuel injection pump is a precision-engineered replacement component designed for C9 engines. It provides accurate fuel delivery, seamless integration, durability under extreme conditions, and improved efficiency. Replacing worn-out or failing pumps with this model restores engine reliability, optimizes performance, and prolongs the